Welcome back to English with a Twist. I'm Sarah, and today I am with my husband, Israel, and he is going to tell me some jokes in English, and he's going to try to make me laugh. So this might be a little challenging. I could be a tough critic. So let's go ahead and get started with Make Me Laugh. Come on, let's bring it on. Bring it on. Come on, give me your jokes.
What do you call a cheese that's not yours?
A cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Not mine? I don't know. What?
Nacho cheese.
3.
All right. What's orange and sounds like a parrot?
Orange and sound like a parrot. Oh, I don't know. What?
What sounds like a parrot more than a carrot?
Carrot? Okay. Carrot is orange. The word sounds like parrot. Okay. Ha ha. Wah wah.
Where do beef burgers go dancing?
Where do beef burgers go dancing?
Yeah. You know, flamingo, bachata, all this kind of music.
Where?
The meatball.
Meatball. Do you get it though?
No, I don't get it.
Because a meatball is made with ground beef, and it's usually a part of spaghetti and meatballs. So, beef, meatball, and then a ball could be a dance.
Oh, really? A ball can be a dance?
Like a dance party. Yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, nice. I learned something. It's like the meat dance then. Meatball, meat dance.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, makes sense. Why does Humpty Dumpty love autumn?
Atom or atom?
A-U-T-U-M-N.
Autumn. Autumn. What is Humpty Dumpty?
Autumn.
Autumn. Oh. I don't know.
Because he always has a great fall.
It's silly. Because he always has a great fall.
Wow, I'm glad to hear you laugh. I like telling you these jokes. Why did bread break up with margarine?
Why did bread make up with margarine?
Break up, yeah.
With margarine.
Margarine.
Can you spell that?
Something that is not butter, that is almost plastic, but it's supposed to taste like butter.
Margarine.
Oh, margarine. Interesting.
Yeah, it's not margarine. Margarine.
Why did bread break up with margarine? Yes, thank you.
Is this nasty? Because there's real butter?
Because he found a butter lover.
All right, I like that one. He found a butter lover.
So romantical. Why should you never tell a taco a secret?
Taco? Why should you never tell a taco a secret? Why?
You eat the taco, you know. You tell your secrets to a taco that you're eating. They always tend to spill the beans.
Okay, that's a good one.
I knew you were gonna like it. I understand this one. Why do they serve yogurt at museums?
Why?
It's cultured.
Oh my goodness.
What do you call a group of berries playing instruments? A jam session.
Oh my goodness. I think I've heard that one in the past. I just forgot it. Okay.
Yeah. Nice. Jam tastes good. Why do comedians love eggs?
Why?
They're the easiest ones to crack up.
Wah, wah.
How do you fix a broken gourd? Gourd.
Bored.
Gourd. So how do you fix a broken gourd?
Super glue? Maybe don't eat my food.
Oh. All right. Now, how about what?
It might have glue.
Yeah, it's true. How about with a pumpkin patch?
Oh, that's a good one.
Why did the scarecrow win an award?
Why?
Because he was outstanding in his field. What do rabbits eat for breakfast?
Lettuce.
And also, I hope.
IHOP. Do you know what IHOP is?
I have no idea.
It's in the US. It's called the International House of Pancakes. It's a breakfast restaurant.
Hmm.
And a bunny hops.
Oh, that's what a bunny does. Like a dog barks, a bunny hops.
Bunny hops.
Oh, like jumping, but hopping. Oh, okay.
They
Is
can
that a
hop.
word? Hopping?
Yeah, hopping. The bunny was hopping. Yeah.
Okay. What happens to a toad's car when it breaks down?
Toad's car? No.
It gets towed away.
It gets towed away.
Mm.
Poor little toad.
Now, what do cats have for breakfast?
Cat food.
Yeah, or mice, Krispies.
Yeah, that could happen for sure.
That's like the perfect joke for a cat person, right?
Yeah, it reminds me of when I saved the little mouse from Scooter.
Oh, little tiny baby mouse.
Couldn't stand to see him get eaten.
Oh. What did one flea say to the other flea when they came out of the movies?
Let's
Sorry,
go
when
bite
they
Sarah. I think I got a flea bite. That may be the case. I don't know.
Oh,
Got a bite.
yeah.
Okay. What did one flea say to another when they came out of the movies?
Yes. Should we walk home or take a dog? Right?
To be in the mind of a flea, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. What did the buffalo say to his son when he left for college?
Buffalo.
Yeah, the buffalo say to his son when he left for college.
What?
Bye, son.
Oh, bison.
What do you call an alligator who solves mysteries?
What?
An investigator.
Investigator. An investigator.
Yeah, investigator. Get it, gator. Why are cats bad storytellers?
Why?
Because they only have one tail. Okay, a pony went to see the doctor because it couldn't speak. What did the doctor say?
Supposed to speak? What?
I know what's wrong. You're a little horse.
That's cute.
You made it.
If you want to see more content like this that's casual and silly between the both of us, why don't you go watch this video where Israel and I teach colors in English in a game format. Go check it out over here.
Right here, guys.
Right. We'll see you next time.
Bye.